Today we are going to discuss the chapter The World Between Wars 1900 to 1950. In this particular chapter we are going to learn the concept, the ominous facts of world wars. If a war occurred between two places, we will think that the effect will be only on the two places, but our assumption is wrong, because if a war occurred directly or indirectly, the effect will be on remaining places also. Like this, in our history, we have two deadly wars, the World War I and the World War II. Let us discuss about them. At the beginning of 20th century, the world was divided into two parts, the West and the Rest. The Western countries were the industrialized countries like Britain, America, France, Germany, Italy, etc. And the rest were the colonial countries like Asia and Africa. While the colonial countries started fighting for the freedom, the industrialized countries got conflicts among them for getting control over the colonial countries and the markets. So they were divided into rival blocks. One of the group is Britain, France and Russia, and other is Germany, Austria and Hungary. After the King of Austria, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, was killed by a Serbian fanatic named Gavrilo Princip. So Austria declared war on Serbia. Due to this rival bloc division, some of the countries supported Austria and some of the countries supported Serbia and participated in war. But America didn't participate in the war. America used to supply weapons to Allied powers. Germany didn't like this, so Germany sunk the ships of America. So on April 6, 1917, America entered into the World War. This war is truly a world war because all the countries from west to east participated. At last, Germany got defeated. But this war did not bring peace in Europe or in the world, but this war became a step for some of the revolutions and wars. For example, Russian Revolution, which was started on March 8, 1917 and ended on 16th June 1923. This revolution was occurred due to the disastrous performance of Russia in World War I. As a part of this revolution, February Revolution and October Revolution occurred. After the October Revolution, on March 3, 1918, Russia dropped from the World War I. Due to Germany got defeated, so Germany paid Treaty of Versailles to the victorious countries. These made Germany to be humiliated. So this humiliation of Germany became a reason for the Second World War, and other reason is the German tanks driving into Poland. Due to these two reasons, the World War started. The World War II started. This war is between the Germany and its allies Japan and Italy on one side, and on the other side USSR, US, China, France were participated. Again, at the end of the World War II, Germany got defeated. This World War II is more dreadful war because 3% of the world population were died in this World War II. Due to these two world wars, so many people were died, and the countries which are participated in this war were destroyed, or at least they were bankrupted, which means they are not able to pay their debts. And the powerful weapons and the atom bombs which are developed during this wars caused so much destruction. To stop the world wars, after the World War I, the League of Nations was formed, but it failed to stop the wars. So, after the World War II, the United Nations organization was formed to stop the world wars. This became succeeded, and now we are able to establish peace and decrease the wars. Okay, now let us discuss some of the important points from the topic which we have discussed. America entered into World War I on 6th April 1917. Russian Revolution started on 8th March 1917 and Russian Revolution ended on 6th June 1923. Russia dropped from World War I on 3rd March 1918. World War I is also known as the Great War and the War of Nations. The World War II is also known as the Global War. 3% of world population were died in World War II. The industrialized countries are Britain, USA, Germany, France, Japan, and Italy. The colonial countries were Asia and Africa. The rival blocs are: the first group is Germany, Austria, and Hungary, and the second group is Britain, France, and Russia. Archduke Franz Ferdinand was killed by Gavrilo Princip. February Revolution and October Revolution are the parts of Russian Revolution. Some of the unknown facts of these wars are: Hitler used a drug named methamphetamine to make soldiers alert and awake. Journalists risked their lives to report news. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And the next concept of the chapter, Death and Destruction, will be explained by my friend Satya.